Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction for the introduction video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. And this time ay papanoorin natin ang introduction video ni
Jean Belasano from Bicol Region. Pagkano tayo?
Morena Aldao. My name is Jean Isabel Villasano from Bicol Region.
Ganda rin eh. Oh, mayon! Hala, napakano naman.
I
Personal.
grew up having parents who fostered an aptitude for learning, so I essentially became a nerd. I collected almanacs, I loved board games, and I was even an outstanding student ng Albay.
Oo.
My love for learning has
Achiever.
led me to pursue a degree in speech-language pathology, where I help kids with special needs and help people with neurological diseases improve their quality of life, especially in the barrios. In my field, I help people one word at a time, in the hopes of changing not just the life of one, but the lives of many. All these are chapters to my story as an exceptionally empowered Filipina.
Oh,
I
cute.
love
Like,
it.
It's very short. Alam mo, nanahimik lang ako kasi gusto kong panoorin yung like meron siyang mga supporting documents. Yung mga supporting documents kasi meron siyang mga pictures, may mga clips. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya like legit.
No, she doesn't have to like defend or explain a lot sa sarili niya kasi yung ginagawa niya in everyday life niya, it takes a lot of patience to teach a kid with special needs. Talagang doon pa lang saludo na ako sa kanya. Isa siyang hero.
Wow. Baka heroine kasi babae.
Ay, heroine pala.
Ano pala yun? Bawal yung hero. Charot. Hindi. Pero sobrang nagustuhan ko yung video niya yun kasi very short, 1 minute. Parang kumbaga nakilala natin siya at a very short span of time, 1 minute. Yung 1 minute na yun, hindi siya ganun karaming detalye, pero nakikita mo yung kung anong klaseng tao siya.
Oh.
Like kung ano yung, di ba?
It's very intimate and very personal video.
I'm gonna eat it. So ayan guys, thank you so much at sinawayan naman kayo sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Again guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!